These are the elements.
The periodic table.
These are the elements. These are the elements.
In order.
These are the elements.
So we got hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen, fluorine.
On the right, you see a curvette with no solution in it. We need to fill it with a solution all the way up to the line seen here. This is our blank filled all the way up. Continue to fill the rest of your dilutions in the curvette using a pipette. Now let's take a look at how to use the spectrophotometer. Sydney is in charge of loading the blank into the spectrophotometer. After properly cleaning the curvette and placing it into the spectrophotometer, she then goes to the computer and presses 0. This calibrates the scan for the later dilutions. Make sure that the wavelength is set at 560. If not, ask a TA for help. This example is what your scan should look like. Once you're done scanning, you should record your results on a table that resembles something like this. Before scanning your dilution, make sure to wipe both sides of your curvette with the wipes provided by the lab. Then place it in the small box inside the chamber. After placing the curvette in the chamber, make sure to close the chamber top, then click the Start button onto the computer. After that, record on the table. After you're done recording your results, safely remove the curvette from the chamber.